So one good thing I really liked about the workshop was that you didn't deal with numbers completely. You didn't take up saying a particular product and said this would give you so much of returns in 5 years or 10 years. Instead of that, you focus more on the basics, on how to improve ourselves so that we are better, but in a good state to take those decisions. So that is one I really like. Thank you for that.
I think I was one of the people who was a little apprehensive about the whole program. But then after I attended this program, I just taken my financial life to the next level. Now, instead of cribbing about money not coming into my life, I think I should rather manage whatever is coming into my life.
Yes.
I think that is what is my takeaway from this program. And I like one very good statement that you made, Nalish. You said don't get too attached to your money also. Because you should not get too much attached. You should also give something and take something. So that's how we sustain in a world like this. So thanks a lot for whatever.
A couple of things that really outlined in my mind. You've simplified the whole process a lot. We've heard about a lot of advisors who complex the whole thing. You've simplified what money management is or financial planning is, and I have seeing a lot of advisors or the way people are dealing with money. It recalls the old days, when we had a family doctor, and you trusted the family doctor for a number of reasons. They simplified a lot of issues in your life. They didn't have any personal, some benefit in mind, that selling a product or something. In fact, we realized today people were hungry to know about certain products, but you didn't bring up any product as such. So the concept of family doctor, you brought it to the world of personal finance.
Yeah, I came to know about this blog recently through my friend. I should be very thankful to him and thankful to you and Nandish who created such a blog where so much of information which is there. I mean I'm not sure how would have been without that blog, because I read so many articles which opened my eyes, and I bought the book recently, and which is awesome. And today's seminar was too good, because there are so many small things which you cannot put on the blog, but which we have learned, something like CIBIL score or other things which I've learned a lot. Thanks Manish, thanks Nadish.
Thank you.
Main takeaway from this workshop has been there's no point in saving without a target, and there's absolutely no joy in not spending either. So wow, that's something that
I put down some notes for myself on what I need to do. The first one, which I've written in bold also, is develop yourself. Spend some time, which I've never done that. Always only if companies sponsor that. Apart from that, keeping a wealth journal, I felt that was a very good value add for me. I had never thought about it. And also about segregating your complete income into the brackets which you gave, which was complete good management of your money. So apart from this, the best one which I felt was this network group, which I felt so many people are like you. So, and it's the right time. It's never too late to start off with. So thanks for creating this event. We always spend on planning for so many things, never bother about personal finance. So thanks for that.